In this section of the Solid Plant 2014 demo, I'll be showing you the grid frame feature. This feature allows us to very quickly create a 3D sketch, which can then be used to create structural elements. First thing we will do is open up our support deaerator subassembly in its own window. Here we have the assembly opened up. You can see the different structure we have for it. Most of this was created with solid plant functions. We have bracing, we have handrails. On the structure toolbar, we will go ahead and select our structure toolbar and our structure 3D grid function. As you can see, our 3D grid function opens up in the SolidWorks Property Manager. If we zoom out, you can see that we have a small 3D sketch at the base of our structure using the default values of 1000 for X, Y, and Z dimensions. This sketch is located at the origin. However, we want to use that point, so we simply select the point of interest, select our Get Start Point button, and then our sketch is created at our selected point as the origin. Now in this case it's in the wrong direction and it's not the right sizes, so we simply hit our reverse direction button on our value list. We can see that we want to change this, so we will do away with that layer, and then we will select this input box and enter 1200. When we add that layer back and rebuild, you will see that SolidPlant has now extended the box in the X dimension to 1200. Now we will do the same thing for the Y dimension. Here we have removed it. We're entering a value of 4400. We'll add that back, rebuild, and you will see that the sketch box now extends much further along the top of our structure. And likewise, the same thing for our Z dimension. Here we will remove our second layer, enter in our value of 3000, and you can see that our box rebuilds. We can use the arrow buttons if we want, and instead we entered manually. Here we've created a very quick 3D grid structure.